Welcome to ITMaster. In this video, we'll walk through the most powerful AI-powered accessibility tools built into Windows 11, and exactly how to turn each one on. These features are designed to make Windows more inclusive for users with hearing, vision, speech, or mobility challenges. Let's get right into it. Live Captions. Live captions convert any audio playing on your computer into real-time subtitles. This includes video, system sounds, and even voice calls. The feature runs offline and uses AI to transcribe speech locally on your device. How to activate live captions. Open the Start menu. Click on Settings. Go to Accessibility. Select Captions. Toggle Live Captions to On. Once enabled, Windows will automatically display subtitles whenever audio is detected. Voice Access. Voice Access is a speech recognition system that lets you control your computer using your voice. You can open applications, navigate the desktop, and dictate text, hands-free. How to activate voice access. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Select Speech. Toggle Voice Access to On. When you turn it on for the first time, Windows will download a speech model to process voice commands directly on your device. Narrator with natural voices. Narrator is a screen reading tool that reads text, buttons, and menus aloud. In Windows 11, it includes AI-powered natural voices that sound more human and are easier to understand than older robotic voices. How to activate Narrator. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Click on Narrator. Toggle Narrator to On. To add a natural voice. Under Narrator's voice settings, click Add Natural Voice. Choose from available options like Aria, Jenny, or Guy. Download and apply the voice. iControl. iControl allows users to control the mouse, type, and interact with the system using only their eyes. It uses AI-powered gaze tracking and requires a compatible eye tracking device. How to activate iControl. Connect a supported eye tracker. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Select iControl. Toggle iControl to On. A calibration setup will guide you once the device is connected. Magnifier with AI tracking. Magnifier enlarges portions of the screen to assist users with low vision. It now includes AI enhancements that help it follow where you're typing, reading, or focusing, reducing the need for manual adjustment. How to activate Magnifier. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Click on Magnifier. Toggle Magnifier to On. You can choose between full screen, lens, or docked view modes, and control zoom levels as needed. Wrap up. These AI-powered features, live captions, voice access, narrator with natural voices, iControl, and magnifier, are transforming Windows 11 into a more inclusive, intelligent, and adaptable system for all users. They're built-in, free to use, and require no extra software. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to ITMaster for more expert-level Windows tutorials. We break down real features that matter, simply, clearly, and completely.